Hi, I'm Hongshu and I'm a motion designer in Canada. I have been animating in Adobe After Effects professionally for more than 5 years, and I worked in 2 different advertising agencies for clients like Adidas, PayPal, Walmart, and many more. Today I'm going to teach you how to animate illustrations in After Effects. I'll show you everything you need to know to get started on the Adobe After Effects, even if it's your first time opening the program. In this course, we'll be working on a short and simple animation together. You will learn the complete full professional workflow from first setting up your file in Illustrator, importing Illustrator files into After Effects with separated layers, how to set up files and organize layers in After Effects for a more efficient workflow, how to animate with the least keyframes possible, but still achieve great results, navigate and animate through many different elements in the scene, the house, the cloud, the trees, the cars, the luggage, and how to apply a smooth transition, how to animate something organic and natural like the leaves falling and the smoke coming out of the car. I'll show you step by step, working through the storyboard, how to apply animation principles, how to use graph editors to bring life and character to your animation. Other than that, we'll also be covering tons of keyboard shortcuts, tips, and tricks that I use all the time for a more efficient workflow. For the class project, you will be applying the skills and techniques learned here to create your own animation. You can either take my illustration and customize it, or come up with your own illustration. Make something that you feel proud of. The thing you learned in this course will be easily translated into any type of animation projects and get you up and running with After Effects animation. This course is for anyone who wants to get into motion graphics or for someone who wants to improve on their animation workflow. I hope you'll have a lot of fun learning and animating. I'll see you in class.